Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cheap and easy way to sprout lentils and grow microgreens within your house. To do this, we're going to use some paper towels and a common Tupperware container. I've gone ahead and pre-soaked the paper towels and pressed them into the bottom of this container. You want the paper towels to be pretty wet, not dripping, but right up about to that point where they would be dripping. I've got some regular mixed lentil seeds from Whole Greens here, which I have rinsed a couple of times and let them soak for maybe 2 or 3 hours. Pretty easy process here, guys. We're just gonna dump these soaked seeds onto the paper towel within our container, and then we're going to spread them out about as evenly as we can, trying to get a uniform layer where the seeds aren't piled on top of one another. And that's really all that there is to getting these lentils to sprout. I'm going to use a spray water bottle to water the seeds throughout the next week or so as they grow, typically watering them about maybe 2 or 3 times a day as needed. At this point, with the seeds nice and wet, we're just going to go ahead and cover them up, place them in the dark somewhere, and I will show you daily progress on how these seeds begin to grow. After 3 days, the lentils have reached a point where you can begin to start harvesting them. Just simply pull them up off the pile and they're ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video and good luck sprouting your own lentils. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips.